Here are 20 ways to find real estate deals. People are constantly telling me that they can't find deals in today's real estate market. It's too competitive. So I want to eliminate all those excuses and give you 20 ways to find good deals. Let's get to it! How to find real estate deals in today's competitive market. Number 1. Look for deals on the MLS with the help of a real estate agent. The MLS is a box that all real estate agents put their deals into. Yeah, it's competitive right now. But if you set it up correctly, you can still find good deals on the MLS. For example, get some automatic email alerts set up with your real estate agent that fit your criteria. That way, you'll get to be the first one to know about those deals. Number 2. Drive for dollars. Get in your car, drive around, and look for vacant properties. When you find something, write down the address. So if you get a list of 10, 20, 30, 40 properties while you're out driving for a couple of hours, then go home, research the address, and find out who owns the property, and send them a letter. Number 3. Let everyone know. Church, Rotary Club, Mosque, temple, wherever it is that you hang out with other people, let everyone there know that you buy real estate. Let them know what your criteria is. People want to help you out, so in your social clubs and groups, let them know. Number 4. Participate in real estate clubs. You know there's people meeting all around the country in almost every city, every single week? Go find a real estate club in your area. Meetup is a great way to locate these people. Find a club and start talking with people. Network, get to know people, and let them know what you're trying to buy. Real estate clubs can be a great way to find deals. Number 5. Do direct mail marketing. Send letters to people. You never know who's going to answer. Number 6. Identify pre-foreclosure properties. People who haven't paid their mortgage in the last 30, 60, or 90 days, they're in real danger of losing their house to foreclosure. If you contact them ahead of time, maybe you can save them from a foreclosure and get yourself a good deal. Number 7. Show up to the courthouse steps. Look, after somebody stops paying their mortgage, they get foreclosed upon, and then it goes to the courthouse steps. You can show up there, bid on it, and potentially buy the property right there on the courthouse steps. Related. 3 deal-making tactics that'll help you find and close real estate transactions. Number 8. Check out eviction records. Have you ever evicted somebody? It's not fun. As a landlord, when you have to evict somebody, it reminds you of how much you hate real estate investing. What better time to contact a local landlord and ask to buy their property? So head to your country courthouse, find out who keeps the eviction records, and every week, get a list of everybody who's doing an eviction. Number 9. Post a Craigslist ad. Craigslist is the world's largest online classified page. So why not post an ad saying, "Hey, I buy property. I buy houses. I buy smelly, nasty, disgusting properties." You never know who's looking. Number 10. Search Craigslist. Instead of posting an ad like we just talked about, go look for certain keywords of people selling their properties on Craigslist. There's actually a page called Real Estate for Sale on Craigslist. Go there, check it regularly. You can also set up some automation tools with sites like If This, Then That, IFTT.com. So you get notified with certain keywords like fixer-upper or nasty. Number 11. Buy a tax lien. You can actually buy a tax lien, which means somebody didn't pay their taxes and you get the right to buy that property and get a great deal. For some investors, that's their primary method of finding great deals. It's by buying tax liens. Number 12. Search the Bigger Pockets Marketplace. Look for deals anytime, day or night, on Bigger Pockets real estate listings. There are thousands on there. Go check it out today. Number 13. Put a sign in your yard. If you have a yard, you can put a sign in it that says that you buy property. I'm not saying to go litter your neighborhood with "I buy houses" signs everywhere, aka bandit signs. But a good yard sign can get you a good deal. Number 14. Rent yourself a billboard. Go big, go bald. Rent yourself a billboard on the side of the highway and get thousands of people to see your message that you buy houses every single day. Number 15. Get a magnetic sign for your car. You can get a magnetic sticker to go on the side of your car that tells everybody that you buy houses. Number 16. Create a radio commercial. Call up the radio station and see what they can give you for a quick commercial about you buying property. Number 17. Look for sale by owner signs. When you're out driving around, look for FSBO signs in yards or at shopping centers or at grocery stores on bulletin boards. This is a good way to find motivated sellers. Number 18. Browse expired listings. When a real estate agent tries to sell a house and the house doesn't sell during the time period they're trying to sell it, it becomes an expired listing. Those can be great people to contact to buy their property because now it's no longer listed, no one else is looking at it, and you can snag a great deal. Number 19. Tell your family and friends. Do your family and friends know that you're looking to buy real estate? If not, get into the practice of always telling whoever's around, "Hey, I'm looking to buy real estate deals. Do you know of anybody looking to sell?" Number 20. Place an ad in the newspaper. If you think about it, yeah, not everyone still uses newspaper, but a lot of people still do. So newspaper rates have come down, but people still read them, especially people who might be interested in selling their house. Give it a try.